With the PrepXpert-8, you can choose how you want to run the system with different operational modes. So the first mode I'm going to go through today is manual mode. So manual mode is exactly as it sounds. You have one specific step, you input those parameters, and the system will run that one step, and then it will complete. Now you can also enter method mode. So when you click that top middle button, you can enter the method mode. And from the top button here, you have your list of methods that you can choose from. From there, you have the actual method steps. Now you can click on any one of these steps and start the method from there. There's also the ability to have automated action steps. So if you do require manual intervention at any point during your extraction process, you can have the system automatically pause and that action step will pop up to let you know what you have to do. And lastly, what we have is the option for splitting the system. So you can have split mode. So this bank of 4 and this bank of 4, you can have run 2 separate methods. Now, why this would be really beneficial is it allows you to really fine tune your steps so that you can really get that perfect method for that method development process if you require it. So if you want to learn more about the different operational modes of the PrepXpert-8, leave a comment.